Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial uncovers a great song called Doctor My Eyes. It was written and performed by the one and only Jackson Browne. Doctor My Eyes peaked at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100 in the spring of 1972. Now before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. What we'll do first is we'll look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression and how the song comes together. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song from Jackson Browne, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song, if you want to play along with me or play along with Jackson Browne's album version, you're going to need to place your capo on the first fret. Keep that in mind. Let's get to the chords that you're going to need to know. The first one is in E major. There are 2 bar chords. The first one is a G sharp minor. You're going to need to know a C sharp minor. And finally, an A chord. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Doctor, my eyes have seen the years, the slow parade of fears. Without crying, want to understand. Done all that I could, see the evil and the good. Without hiding, just help me if you can. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what is wrong, 'cause I am wide, open for so long. 'Cause I've wandered through this world, each moment has unfurled. I've been waking from this dream. People go just where they will. I never noticed them until I've got this feeling. It's later than it seems. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what you see. I hear their cries. Tell me, is it too late for me? Doctor, my eyes, they can't see the sky. Is this the price for having learned how not to cry?
All right, let's get to the chord progression of this great song. We're going to break it into two parts for you. We'll have a look at the verse first, and then we'll finish it off with a closer look at the chorus. There's not much as far as a bridge is concerned in this song, so that makes it a little bit easier. So let's get to the verse. I basically start the song with picking the open low E, and that sets up the song as far as the rhythm is concerned. Let's get started. Here we go. Again, starting with the open E string, low E string. Here we go. Doctor, my eyes have seen the years and the slow parade of fears without crying. Now you want to understand, and that's it. It's that simple. And then that simply repeats for the rest of the verses. Let's have a closer look now at the chorus. Okay, let's get to the chorus. It basically starts on the C sharp minor. Here we go. Doctor, my eyes, tell me what is wrong. Was I unwise to keep them open for so long? And there you have it, Jackson Browne, Doctor, My Eyes. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.